Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Tours. We are here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania at the Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott, east of the outlets. I repeat, east. There's another Fairfield. Don't want you guys to get that confused, alright. Here's our security, safety stuff. Maximum room rate $499 apparently. Did not pay that. Security. All in order. Here is the bathroom. Nice vanity. Got a nice mirror. Soap. Alcohol-free facial pads, makeup remover. Hair dryer. Sink. Toilet paper, plenty of towels, nice linens. Alright, here's our shower tub combo. Looks very clean. Shampoo and stuff, conditioner, got a light there. Alright, got a light up there too. Nice high ceilings because we are on the first floor. Little wet bar area. Got a microwave, which is clean. Coffee maker, ice bucket, mini fridge, full of beer. Fridge is clean. Drinking the Victory Sour Monkey Sour. Got our closet, iron board. Spot to hang up a jacket. Thermostat that controls PTAC unit. Lamp. This room is 2 queen beds. Chair. Mirror, place to put your luggage. Got a little stool right there. Drawers, 43 LG TV. Got Netflix and stuff on there. Desk. This pulls out. Desk chair. Outlets. More outlets. This is nice to see. It's a little bit worn right there, not that big of a deal. Got the good book. Alright. iHome alarm clock. More outlets. Gotta love that. Fairfield. Show the logo. Here's a phone, here's an address, if we can get this thing to focus. If you want to stay here, there we go. Here's the address if you want to stay here. Here's bed, queen bed. You get the Marriott, has these nice linens. Already tore it apart a little bit here. This mattress seems really firm. This mattress seems more soft. Might be sleeping on this bed tonight. Yeah. See something. And they're both same mattresses. Matter of fact, I don't think this is a fitted sheet right here, by the way. Yeah, they have a fitted sheet on this one. Oh. Bed does look clean though. Amanda PTAC, which you can control right here still when that's disabled. Recycle bin, trash can with no trash bags. Seems like every hotel I've been in lately, they don't give you trash bags because they're trying to be green, or they're just forgetting them. I think they're just forgetting them. Let's see. Let's check the filters out here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, these filters are clean. Clean AC filters, which a lot of hotels seem to miss. We are in the first floor here, and just facing out the parking lot. Nothing special. I normally don't like being on the first floor, but it's where they put me. I'm only here just for tonight, so be going off to the other hotel tomorrow. But, yeah, there's the entrance. Fairfield, right there. Show logo. All right. Cool. Alright. So this hotel does feature free breakfast. I think it's like 7 to 10 or something like that. Not sure if it's a hot breakfast. Wasn't that clarified at check-in. See about that tomorrow. Maybe I'll get back to you guys about that. Do you have an indoor pool, fitness center? I only paid $45 and some change for this room. The employee rate, if you guys were to book this, I think the regular rate was like 126 or something, or 150 something. If you were to book this on Marriott Bonvoy app, but by the way, we are right next door to the Wyndham here in Lancaster. If you guys wish, I have stayed there and I've done a room tour video of the Wyndham here in Lancaster. So if you wanna go check out the room tour video of the Wyndham, I'll pop that in the description box below. And we are right across the street from the Cartoon Network Hotel. So maybe if you guys hit that like button, maybe next time I'm down this way or I'm in town, maybe I'll go stay at the Cartoon Network Hotel. If you guys hit that like button. But I think I covered everything. The guy that checked me in tonight was nice. Nice, easy, smooth check-in. Yeah, I think I about covered everything. We'll take another pan of the room here. Since we're on the first floor, we got the nice high ceilings. Take another pan. I'll give you another look of the bathroom. And stuff here. Yeah, get a little pan of the room. Oh yeah, and if you guys like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, and press that notification bell if you want to see more hotels. And with that being said, KW out.